people. How are you? I am so excited because, let me make sure I put my address in. I got my very first Glossybox. I am so excited. I got this. I've heard mixed reviews about this subscription. If you don't know, this is a $21 a month subscription. But I love skincare, and a lot of people told me to try Glossybox, but I've heard mixed reviews about it. Some people say they like it. Some people said it was really good, and it's not as good anymore, and some people just do not like it. So I wanted to try it for myself, and I canceled a few subscriptions. So this year, 2019, I wanted to try a few more just to see what it's like. So this is, if I didn't already tell you, this is the January 2019 Glossybox. So let me open this up. I haven't even opened it, and see what we got. Maybe I should have did that before I started my video. That's why a lot of times you always see them cut open already, so I don't take too long, because I don't edit my videos. All right, so you got this $100 wine voucher. All righty. So this is a beautiful box. Like, this is very sturdy. I like it. All right, let's see what is in here. Ooh, that's beautiful. I think they always come like this, if I'm not mistaken. Let me know in the comments down below. But that's beautiful how it's packaged. That is so pretty. It's like a little gift. All right, what is this? What you be? Skin store, part of Look Fantastic, $145 free gift. I don't know. All right. So, okay, I guess this is a little pamphlet. Okay, that tells you what everything is and the prices right there. All right. So, it has a little sticker, so that's nice. All right, so that's what it looks like when you open it up. So, the first thing we have is this slice mask sheet. It is in a lemon. Oh, so that's good, because lemon is very good for if you have sunspots or dark spots. And I do. You can't tell because I have makeup on. But I have a lot of sun damage. I am in my 40s, and back then in the 90s and the early 2000s, I live in Jersey. And I was always at the beach. I went from the tanning bed to the beach. And so I didn't wear sunscreen or sunblock, you know, and I used baby oil, actually. So it caused a lot of sun damage. So please wear sunscreen. All right, so let's see what this is. What does it say? All right, so lemon slice mask. So this is $5. It says revolutionary in the concept of sheet mask. Each slice is infused with the nutrients and scent of the namesake fruit. So I love lemon. So is it just the scent of lemon? Because I love the smell of lemon. But, okay, more convenient and effective than using raw fruits and vegetables. Slices of eucalyptus trees, power to deliver intense yet gentle nourishment to the body and face. But it says tip, before applying your mask, cleanse and dry your skin. First, okay, yeah. All right, so why does it say slice? I don't know what that is. Let me know down below if you know. Maybe it has little pieces that you would put in just the problem areas. If that's true, because I'm looking at the pictures here. If that's true, that's great, because I would just keep it where my sun damage is. All right, so that's good. And I just dropped thing. All right, the next thing we have is from Zia. Zia? I'm not sure how to pronounce this. This is facial wipes. Remove makeup and impurities. So that's exciting. This is probably a sample size. But I like using that because I always do my eyes first. And then I take a makeup remover and kind of clear anything up, remove anything that I like, you know, messed up on. All right. So what does that say? All right, so a full size would be $12 for a 90 count, and this is definitely not. This is a 10 count, so that's good. You get to try to see if you like it, and it has rose hip essential oil, which is really good. Rose is really good for you. All right, so, you know, that is just wipes. All right, so this is Sleek Highlighting Palette. So this is in Distorted Dreams. I've got this before. I believe when Walgreens had a one-time box that I got this in there. So I already have this. And Sleek highlighters are like blinding. And this is a really nice one. So I'm going to put this in a giveaway. You guys will really like that. How much is that? that would be $14.99. So that's good. All right. The next thing we got is from Advance. This is a deluxe hyaluronic acid verifying face and eye night cream, which I love, love, love night cream. All right, what is this? $120? No. Yes. Full size, $120, 50 mils as featured. This is 50 mils, guys. Can you guys see that? That is 50 mils. This is full $120. Oh my God. This box is only $21. So if I didn't like anything in this box, this is definitely worth it. That is amazing. Comment down below. Do you usually get stuff like this in the box? All right. The last thing we got is this Differin Gel Acne Treatment. So that's good. It's so funny. I was just telling my daughter, I have an 18-year-old daughter whose skin is like perfect. And I am actually going to be 43 in a couple months in April. And my face is breaking out. I feel like I'm a teenager again. All right. So this would be $13.99. And it's just an acne treatment. It says, ditch your old way of fighting acne and embrace Differin Gel. I did hear very good things about Differin Gel. A revolutionary... Oh my God, it's like 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm not used to doing videos this early. Revolutionary new treatment. This first over-the-counter product with the retinoid. Okay, all right. Anyway, so I'm really excited to get this. I really like this box. I don't think it's that bad. This sleek here is this. If you don't have this, you need to get any sleek highlighters. It is amazing. I understand this may not be everybody's cup of tea because of the different colors in there, but it's really, really good. $120 night cream. Come on, guys. I mean, I don't know what else to say. That's really good. I don't know how it works. We don't know how good it works, but I love it. So that's good. I will definitely be using this. So I'm not knocking that. I love the fact to try some face wipes, especially if this has rose hip and essential oil. If this works really good, I've never heard of this brand. I'll definitely pick it up. And I've never seen this, and I love sheet mask. So I think this is where you would just put it in the problem areas, which, let's see what it says. Apply each slice onto, yeah, that's exactly what it is. So I am definitely excited to try that, and I'll just put it like right here. All right, guys, I am done babbling. Comment down below. Have you got BoxyCharm? Oh my God. Have you got Glossybox before? Let me know. And if you have, what do you think about it? Is this one of the better boxes, or is it typically always like this? Let me know. Please like this video if you like unboxings. Like this video if you cannot wait until summer comes, because I cannot wait. I live in Jersey and it's supposed to snow this weekend, and I'm tired of the cold, and dislike it if you just don't like this video. All right, guys, I always leave videos right here in case you want to watch more of me, and please make sure you subscribe, because I have a big giveaway coming up, because next month will be my 2-year anniversary. So make sure you subscribe so you can get on that giveaway, and leave a comment. And I will see you guys. Here we go again on this computer. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.